Can you tell us one more thing? Don't you think that there should be a single body? We have NAC. Don't you think that Center is planning to have a single body for the Northeast?
Well, there is a single body. I don't think it's important to necessarily look at whether it is you or you who's going to be the funnel. But it's necessarily to not look at only process, but also to look at outcome. Not necessarily to look at only outlays, but look at the outcome. So for example, in the donor ministry now, we have put together in the last 2-3 weeks, we have put together consulting all our people that we will not look at only utilization certificates and completion certificates for projects. We will try and make sure that all our states also do a social audit. So for example, if a hospital has been put up, or for example, if a school has been put up, that's brick and mortar. But brick and mortar alone has no value unless there is a soul inside the brick and mortar. So a hospital must have doctors, a hospital must have nurses, a school must have teachers, because that is the real soul. And therefore, not only a UC and a CC, but also a social audit as to how many patients have been treated in a hospital, how many students have been taught in a school. That is very monumentally important in our path of progress as we go forward. So I'm trying to bring a new dimension to the way that we think in partnership with all our states, so that we can reach our common end goal of development and progress as enshrined by the Prime Minister in his insistence of ensuring that Viksit Bharat means a Viksit Northeast.